Hello everyone, today let's dive into the science behind salt spray chamber, a powerful tool used to test how materials resist corrosion. Corrosion happens when a material, usually metal, reacts with its environment like air, moisture or salt. For example, when iron reacts with oxygen and water, it forms rust. This is a natural process, but it can weaken materials over time. Industries need to know how materials will perform under such harsh conditions, and that's where salt spray chamber come in. How does the science work? Inside a salt spray chamber, there's a carefully controlled environment designed to speed up the corrosion process. Here's how it works. First, salt solution preparation. The chamber uses a solution of sodium chloride mixed with water. This mimics real-world salty environments like coastal areas or roads treated with salt in water. Second, fine salt mist generation. The solution is turned into a fine mist or spray using compressed air and special nozzles. This mist evenly covers the samples being tested. Third, temperature and humidity control. The chamber maintains consistent temperature and humidity level. Higher temperatures accelerate chemical reactions, making corrosion happen faster. Fourth, electrochemical reactions. Here's the core science. When salt settles on the metal, it dissolves in moistures and creates an electrolyte. This triggers electrochemical reactions where the metal loses electrons and start to corrode. By controlling these factors, engineers can simulate years of corrosion in just days. Why is this important? This process helps scientists and manufacturers test the durability of metals and coatings, understand which materials will survive tough conditions, design better, long-lasting products for cars, ships, buildings, and more. So the science behind salt spray chambers is all about using chemistry, physics, and engineering to predict and prevent material failure in the real world. Visit us at Pacorr.com for top quality chambers designed for maximum efficiency. Thanks for watching. See you next time.